Hello dear fans. How to get a spark. Many physical phenomena lend themselves to scalability. A small fly uses the same physical principles in flight as a huge bird. And if you want, you can even scale the lightning. It will become small enough to fit on your desk. Instructions. Step 1. Take an old pocket-size piezoelectric lighter that has run out of gas and does not have a refill valve. Step 2. Fold back the metal flame diffuser. You can remove the button and the piezoelectric element outside. Save both details. Step 3. Take a close look at the piezoelectric element. One of its terminals is an insulated wire and the other is a metal cylinder. He cannot be soldered. Step 4. Unbend the wire and strip the end. Extend it slightly with another wire. Step 5. Wrap a few turns of another wire tightly around the cylinder. Step 6. Take a rigid base made of non-combustible dielectric material. Drill a hole in it of such a diameter that the cylinder, together with the wound wire, is very tight in it. Step 7. Put the button on the piezoelectric element. This will make it easier to press. Step 8. Take an old car candle. Be sure to make sure it has never been used with leaded gasoline. Fix it to the same base in any way. Step 9. Connect one of the wires coming from the piezoelectric element to the body of the candle, the other to its central outlet. Step 10. After making sure that the laboratory unit is not in the atmosphere of combustible gases, vapors, or suspensions, without touching the wires, press the button. Every time you press it, a spark will jump between the electrodes. Step 11. Close the candle and the conductors with a transparent casing shaped in such a way that it was possible to press the button, but it was impossible to touch the live parts. Remember that the casing is not hermetically sealed, so the unit can still only be used outside the atmosphere of flammable gases, vapors, or suspended solids. Step 12. If you wish, film the process of the spark slipping on video. It is very difficult to shoot it in a photo, since it is not so easy to simultaneously press the buttons of the piezoelectric element and the camera. If you just need photographs, it is better to then cut screenshots from the finished video. Keep the camera at a safe distance so as not to damage it by static electricity. Adjust the brightness of the lighting in such a way that the spark is bright, but the electrodes are also clearly visible. Thanks for watching.